Howdy, YouTubers. I was pondering what I would do my next video on, because there are so many different topics right now that I could do it on. I mean, there's the whole situation with Juan Williams getting fired from the NPR because, well, he voiced his opinion. Oh my God. And then, of course, there's the story of the ongoing story, I should say, of the Dutch politician Geert Wilders, who is on trial for voicing his opinion. But then there's my favorite topic, which is Sharia law, and how to wipe it from the face of the planet. How to entirely and completely get rid of Sharia law. Yes, that's right, I said get rid of Sharia law. It's despicable. And I thought that maybe Judge Andrew Napolitano would have an opinion on this. I thought that maybe he would have something to say about this. So I started searching the internet and scouring the internet for any forums or blogs or any websites or any freedom watches that he may have done, or maybe just a phone interview or just a soundbite or something, anything. And there's nothing. There's absolutely positively nothing from Judge Andrew Napolitano, who personally I consider him to be the bar. I consider him to be the standard when looking for constitutional interpretation. The Judge Andrew Napolitano, is the man to see about that. So when I started scouring the internet, I mean just for anything and everything, and couldn't find one single peep out of the judge concerning Sharia law and the parallel legal system in the United States, I thought, well, this is kind of odd. Either one of a couple of things is happening. Either the answer is just so obvious, why even bother to address the topic? Maybe that's what the judge is thinking. Or maybe not. Maybe he's not allowed to talk about it. I don't know. The point is that there's nothing. It is crickets. It is dead out there. Ron Paul has absolutely nothing to say about Sharia law. Alex Jones has absolutely nothing to say about Sharia law. Nothing. I mean, nothing at all. Except for maybe something along the lines of, oh, it's preposterous that it'll ever come here. Bullshit. It's already here. Not even Jesse Ventura has... Now, before everybody starts going, oh my God, Jesse Ventura. I know, he's on the fringe. He's out there. Whatever. Who cares? He's a government... He used to be, anyway, a government official. He's a Navy SEAL. I mean, he's a man with a lot of experience and, a lot of credibility as far as I'm concerned. So, when I found that not even he had an opinion on Sharia law, and, the Muslim Brotherhood's, stated intention of seeing global domination of Islam through the implementation of Sharia law. And none of these people, none of them have any information at all. They have no opinion, none whatsoever. I can't get my mind around it. So either, I am completely looking in the wrong place. I'm Googling the wrong subject. I'm typing in the wrong, search tags, whatever. Or there is a site out there where specifically Judge Andrew Napolitano has an opinion on Sharia law, and he goes in depth as to the not just the philosophical aspects of trying to employ a parallel legal system with our own legal system, but and it goes into more specific topics about Sharia law. In 1786, Thomas Jefferson and John Adams became very well aware of the danger of Islam as a political ideology. Think of it as a form of government, you know. They became very aware of the danger of it. They knew it then, and if they were around now, they know it now. They would be saying, see, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so. And I just want to know, where's all the information? Where are all the heavyweights on Sharia law? So far, I think the only person that, you know, really of serious credibility, you know, that I have found who has any opinion on this whatsoever has been Michelle Bachmann. That's it. That's it. That's the only person I can find so far. And she's the one who says that anyone who supports it or advocates it, any judge or any government official who supports or advocates Sharia law, you know, should be, you know, disbarred, and you know, they should be immediately found guilty of sedition and treason, never again to enjoy the office of public service in any state. She's the only one. Where is everybody else on this? Where's the judge? Judge Andrew Napolitano, if you get to watch this video, if you ever get to see this video, I'm the one who's been sending you note after note after message after message after message. What's your opinion on Sharia law? What do we do about Sharia law here and there? And what about the case in your home state, New Jersey, where, you know, the woman was repeatedly beaten and raped and was denied a restraining order from her husband? You know, Judge Joseph Charles should have been disbarred and derobed and never again to, you know, what's your opinion? No opinion. What's the scoop? What's the deal? What is this? Why is there absolutely nothing but crickets? Just crickets. That's all. From you, from your good buddy Ron Paul, from your good buddy Alex Jones, and from Jesse Ventura. There is absolutely nothing at all. Now, guys, if I just don't understand, you know, if I'm just, like I say, typing in the wrong search tags, the wrong, you know, whatever. If I'm just not putting into the search field, you know, the right words, you know, in order for it to generate a response, you know, I don't know what could be more direct than Judge Andrew Napolitano on Sharia law. I don't know what could be more direct than that, or Ron Paul on Sharia law, and nothing comes up. Alex Jones on Sharia law, nothing comes up. There's a whole bunch of videos, but there's nothing that has anything to do with Alex Jones or Ron Paul or specifically speaking, Judge Andrew Napolitano on Sharia law. Why not? What am I doing wrong? Please, guys, can you tell me what I'm doing wrong? Because I would really like an answer to this question. Because, like I say, as far as I'm concerned, you know, Judge Napolitano he's the standard. You know, as far as constitutional interpretation is concerned, he's the standard, and he has a way of explaining everything so that you understand it impeccably, perfectly, if there's anything out there. But as of yet, there's just absolutely nothing at all. It's really quite curious. It's just a little triangle that comes up and says no videos found. It's kind of weird. You know, it's just with the judge. It's only with the judge. I'm wondering if he's not under like some kind of a gag order or something like that. So, please, guys, tell me if I'm just putting in the wrong, you know, search words or whatever the deal is, or if there's someplace I can go, or if I'm just, you know, wasting my time. Probably am. Anyway, everybody have a great day, and keep pursuing freedom. Never give up. Never surrender. Peace.